And welcome back, everybody, once again. This is Chapter 2, Part 3 of this video. Well, of the chapter. You guys know. Okay, let's go back to where we're at when we left off on Part 2. Now we're on the Part 3. Let's go back to where we left off. Okay, so now we're over here and we're all set up. Now we got to see what a motherboard costs. I'm going to do this just off of the top of my head as an example for you guys so you understand. We're still on a savings budget of $2,800. Remember, this is going to be a once every 5-year kind of budget. So if you even take a month of your savings and you turn around and buy all your PC parts, that'll be a one-time deal, especially if you get a warranty. But we'll get to that part in soon enough. So the motherboard, let's say you spend $225 on the motherboard. Okay. So now your CPU, let's say your CPU cost you want the really good one, you just don't want to spare no expense, then you're going to spend $600. And then you go to your RAM. Oh, you say to yourself, well, I got to have high-speed RAM, so that way I know my CPU is keeping up with my GPU kind of thing. So you have a budget of, let's say, $300. That's not a bad budget. SSD, well, you say, well, I want to be able to store all my games and everything else, so I need at least 8 terabytes. So you want a budget of, right now with 8 terabytes, if you want that for Steam games, you're looking at an $800 budget, minimal. So put down 800. Oop, go back. You want, and your GPU, we're not going to get to that until we price out everything on the platform. Your first time buying a platform. So your PSU, let's say it's going to cost you $270 because you want something that's 1200 watts that has all the bells and whistles. So say $300. Your case, you kind of like the fish tank case that I had, and that case was only like $80, and it comes with 6 fans. So we can do that. So we can put in $80. Dollar sign first. We put $80. And then the monitor. We'll stop right here because there's one piece we need. We need to open up this piece right here. We need to put a CPU cooler. And right here, we'll put $55. I forgot all about that, but we'll put $55. Then we'll come back to our monitor. Let's say you want to spend $400 on a monitor. Keyboard, you'll spend, if you want a combination package and you're not picky about it, and you'll spend, if you want a combination package, then what you'll do is you'll take this off. Usually I recommend combination packages anyway. And then you'll put a / here, and then you cut this off, and then you cut this, and then you paste this here. You'll spend $100. Let's say $100. So 100. So now you come down here to the next line and you put total. And then you come down here, and then you put your line again. Now, this is where you need your calculator. Okay, so now we got 225, so we got 225, and then we hit add. Then we got $600, we got 600. Then we add 55, add 300. Plus sign again, 800, plus sign again, 300, plus sign again, 80, plus sign again, 400 plus sign again and 100. That's an expensive taste, don't you think? That's a really expensive taste. But don't worry, that's the reason why we're here. So stick around for part 4 on the build and find out my conclusion to this build.